Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra Air Sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay, two cards. That's why I'm not taking. I don't read reverse cards. Okay. Libra. So under the deck, Two of Swords with Five of Pentacles. I think you are in separation with this person. For some, you are in no contact situation. They are treating you as an option. Yeah, cold shouldering. And you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision, Libra, but you are indecisive about to make decision. Maybe some part of you want this person back, but part of you want to let go of this person. There is some confusion regarding this relationship, or for some regarding your life. You have to make some decision, but you are unable to make. For some, this is a situation between head over heart, like that. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Five of Swords, Eight of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. I think there are some disturbances between you and your person. There was some communication back and forth in recent past. Things are okay, but there are some disturbances in recent past. Then present, Knight of Pentacles, King of Swords, and Queen of Swords. What I'm getting here, you both are at same level. Yes, you both have ego problems. You both have boundaries. I think Queen of Swords and King of Swords, you are couple, powerful couple and stubborn couple. And I think you both are honest, but harsh communication may be the reason for some problems between both of you. And Knight of Pentacles here, I think for some, a new person is entering in your life. For some, it could be your past person. It depends on your situation, but this person is in very, very slow moving energy. Then future, Six of Wands, Temperance, and the Strength. So you decided to work on yourself. You are getting recognition for your hard work, Libra, and Six of Wands, success for your hard work. And you want to restore the balance within yourself, and your total focus is on yourself only. And Strength card, yes, you are taking your control back. You are going through a lot and you overcome everything. Now you stand by your power and you restore the balance within yourself. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Sagittarius or Leo or Aries or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their true intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, Two of Wands is here. Maybe you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, but they are thinking about you a lot, Libra. So let's see their current feelings. Libra, 8th sign. King of Cups, Three of Wands, Six of Wands, Magician, with Princess of Pentacles. So if you are in separation with this person, they want to communicate with you, they want to text you, or they want to message you. And for some, they are manifesting you. For some, maybe your person is a player in past, but they do love you. King of Cups, they are recognizing feelings for you For some, your person do love you and they want to offer their cup of love to you, and they are waiting for some right time, and they want positive growth in this relationship, and they're still hoping on this connection, and they want success in this relationship. Yes. So let's see the true intentions. Libra. Hierophant with Two of Cups. Yeah, for some, you both could be soulmates. It's a mutual love between both of you. And yes, they are thinking about commitment. They want to marry you. They want, if you are in relationship with this person right now, they want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in separation, they want reconciliation with you, and they are thinking about you a lot. Yes, definitely this is a soulmate connection, strong soulmate connection. And right now, your person healing their self. Maybe they are going through a lot in their life. They are doing meditation to heal their self. And Princess of Wands, maybe they, for some, you both have age differences, and they want to send some text or message communication, and they are good looking. Yes. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. A lot of fire energy and water energy is here. Yeah, they are waiting for right time to approach you. Right now they're feeling stuck. Yeah, that's why Four of Swords, they're healing, and they're doing meditation to heal their self because they're feeling stuck, but they're waiting for divine timing. And Four of Wands, they want reconciliation, and they want this happiness with you, celebration with you. Two cards, I'm not taking. Yeah, you are also feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you, Libra. You are missing them. And you are juggling. Still you are juggling because one part of you want this person back, another part of you don't want this person back. This type of juggling, and you started listening to intuition, trusting your intuition. Follow your intuition. Just follow your intuition. Okay. Mutual, wow, the Fool, new beginnings. Definitely for some there will be reconciliation. A lot of readings got the same message, reconciliation, new beginnings. Definitely, if you both wishing for the same, definitely there is a chance for new beginnings, a brand new beginnings. The Fool card with the Empress. This connection has potential. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. New love is coming for some. Third party involved. Options. Decision time. And age difference. I'm crazy about you. So the messages are, for some, new love is coming. For some, third party situation involved. Options. Decision time. Age difference. I'm crazy about you. I'm serious about you. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Libra. Emotions are running high, Super Moon. Okay, one card is, your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. Wow. So emotions are running high. So if your emotions are running high, especially when super moon, do meditation to suppress those emotions or to control those emotions. And your hard work is paying off, especially when new moon in Capricorn. If you're doing hard work, definitely you are going to receive results. Yes, Your hard work is paying off. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.